Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This is Jason from Dream Canada, and today I'm going to tell you about the Parents and Grandparents Program or the PGP that has been launched today. Now, this program was suspended for quite some time, and many of you were waiting for this to resume. So, the application processes have resumed today. Now, if you're a Canadian citizen or a PR holder, then you'll be able to sponsor your parent or grandparent or your parent and your grandparents, and you'll be able to fly them from their home country with you to Canada as they'll be getting their PR status through this program. Now, this year, IRCC has a maximum quota of 10,000 applications which it will accept, and you'll get time until November 3rd, which is in the coming month, to submit all your applications. So, there are 10,000 applications to be filled this year. And in the next year, in 2021, a further 30,000 applications are going to be accepted by IRCC. So even if your application isn't accepted this year, there are hardly any months left anyway. So you can always apply in the coming year in 2021 when 30,000 additional applications will be invited. So if you've been worried about the health of your parents and your grandparents in your home country and you want them to shift closer to you if you're living and working in Canada, then this program is definitely going to help you out. You don't need to worry. I'll be telling you everything you need to know about this program, including the benefits and the requirements that you'll need to have as a sponsor and a few basic requirements of the people that you're going to be sponsoring. There are just 4 basic steps involved, and I'll tell you everything about this in the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I do recommend that you subscribe because I upload process videos regularly that'll help you with your Canadian immigration processes without the need for any immigration agents or consultants or immigration lawyers. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the PGP. Before we move on to the requirements and process details, let me tell you about the main benefits of the Parents and Grandparents Program or the PGP. Through this program, your parents and grandparents can enjoy all the benefits that a normal PR holder in Canada has. They'll get the freedom to live and work in Canada, they'll get free healthcare, and they can even ultimately apply for their Canadian citizenship if they want at a later stage. Sounds great, right? There are just 4 simple steps of this program. Step 1 is making sure that you meet the necessary requirements to sponsor your parents or your grandparents, about which I'll tell you in a while. Step 2 is to complete an online form on the PGP webpage of the IRCC website, where you express your interest indicating that you wish to sponsor your parents or your grandparents. I'll add a link to this application package webpage in the description box. Next, IRCC will conduct a random selection of the applications received, and they'll select 10,000 applicants from among them. If you're among the 10,000 applications that are selected, then you'll get 60 days to submit a completed sponsorship application to IRCC, where you have to submit all the necessary documents and pay your fee. The deadline will be specified in your invitation. If at all you are not able to submit your documentation due to any genuine service disruptions caused by COVID-19, you'll be given a 90-day extension to submit all your documents. So if there's any genuine delay in submitting your documents in 60 days, you'll get a 90-day extension above the 60 days. The fee for the PGP is 1,050 Canadian dollars for each person that you plan to sponsor. So if you plan to sponsor both your parents or both your grandparents, then your total fee would come up to 2,100 Canadian dollars. Now you can sponsor both your parents as well as your grandparents, so it's not necessary that you invite only your parents or only your grandparents. You can sponsor all 4 of them if you want, and if you have the financial ability to support them. Now let me tell you about the requirements for the PGP so that you'll know your eligibility. As a sponsor, you'll need to be a Canadian citizen or a PR holder. You must be 18 years of age or older. You must be residing in Canada when you're applying. And the most important requirement of this program is that you must exceed the necessary income level for this program. This is quite obvious because since you're inviting your parents or grandparents to live with you in Canada, you'll need to provide proof of income that will show that you're ready for the financial responsibility to support them and yourself. If you're married or you have a common law partner, then both of your incomes can be calculated together. The exact figures according to the size of your family is currently available on the same PGP application form webpage on the IRCC website. Next, you'll also have to sign an undertaking that you'll be financially responsible for the people that you are sponsoring for a period of at least 20 years, starting when they land in Canada and become PR holders. You'll also have to pay back any social program or welfare funds that they'll receive in these 20 years. So, if they decide to receive any unemployment benefits or disability benefits from the Government of Canada, be mindful that you, as a sponsor, will have to pay all this money back on a later date. Other requirements would include IRCC specific medical exams and police clearance certificates for all the people that are being sponsored. Now, these documents, especially the PCC, may take time to process, so please keep that in mind while applying. According to the IRCC, processing time for this program is between 20 to 24 months. Alright guys, that was all the information on the parents and grandparents of PGP program. As always, if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I respond to all immigration queries. Do like this video if you think the information was helpful to you, and remember to subscribe to stay updated with the Canadian immigration processes. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you guys have a great day.